Welcome to our Docker tutorial series. In this video, we'll cover the Docker cp command, which allows you to copy files into or out of a running Docker container. We'll explore the syntax, options, and best practices for using this command. When working with Docker containers, you often need to transfer files between your host machine and the container. However, this can be a challenge, especially when the container is running. That's where the Docker cp command comes in. The Docker cp command allows you to copy files into or out of a running Docker container. The basic syntax is Docker cp source destination. You can use this command to copy files from your host machine to a container or vice versa. Let's see a live demo of the Docker cp command in action. We'll copy a file called config.yaml from our host machine into a running Docker container. We'll use the command docker cp /app/config.yaml my_container /app/config.yaml. When using the Docker cp command, there are some best practices to keep in mind. Make sure to specify the correct source and destination paths, and be aware of any file permissions issues. Also, be cautious when copying files into a running container, as this can potentially override existing files. In summary, the Docker cp command is a powerful tool for transferring files between your host machine and a Docker container. By following the best practices and being mindful of common pitfalls, you can use this command to streamline your workflow and improve your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and Docker guides.